Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to install Python in our system. So first of all, you need to open your browser and just type here. Either you can type after opening your browser, you can click on here also in the URL part and you can just type here python.org. Okay. Now in downloads section, you just need to click on downloads and then you can see the latest version of Python which you can install. Okay. So click on it. If you have, because my system is Windows, so I'm just clicking on it. If your system is Mac OS or any other like Linux or Unix, you can just click on it and you can install that part over there. Now after getting that exe file, just double click on it. Install anyway. Now before clicking on install, now you need to click here add python.exe2 path. Otherwise you need to reset your environment variable by yourself. So just click on it and then click on install now. It will take some time to install everything. Just wait for it. It totally depends on your internet speed as well as your system speed. After installation, you will get an IDLE, which means the IDE of Python will show you after installation, which is a free software which you can directly without installation of IDLE, you can directly program your coding on that IDLE. IDEs for Python, you can use PyCharm, Spider, as well as Jupyter Notebook also. But because you're starting with Python core, for that you can use IDLE also. That is more preferable. After that, click on close. Now, to check whether Python installed in your system correctly or not, just open your command prompt by typing here cmd. Now, type Python here, enter, and you can see Python versioning appearing here. Like Python 3.11.1 is already here. Now, the next thing is to recheck it once again. You can just do some calculation here. As you can see, my system is working fine. Okay, that means Python is doing all the calculations correctly. That means Python installed in my system. Okay, to recheck it once again, you can just create a Python programming, one Python program. I'm creating a program for hello world. So print hello world. Now click enter and you can see my output is here. Now the next thing is let me open my IDLE also. So that is IDE for Python, IDLE. You just need to type IDLE on your search box and you can see like whatever because I have two versions here, Python 3.10 and Python 3.11. So just click on it, whatever version you have. Now you can see this Python shell and here also you can do all the calculations and the programming part. Okay, now but you are unable to edit it, so in that case you can use Python module. Just click on file, new file. Now here you can create any program again. Hello. Okay, now for that you just need to let me to run this code. You can just click on run module. Now for that, first of all you need to save this file also. So for that I'm going to save this file on desktop. I'm using here my file, any name you can take, enter. Okay, now you can see the output on the shell part, which is hello. You can put some more things here, like I'm using here print 4 cross 6. And when I'm going to run this code, you can see the output. Like 6 cross 4 is 24. Okay, so this is how you can install Python and do some programming in Python ideally. If you want, you can do the same programming on PyCharm ideally, Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook also. It totally depends on you. Thank you so much, everyone.